Now moving on to the nomenclature for a wall mount adapter. All of AIMTech's adapters are going to start with the code AMA. The number 5 represents the power or the wattage. Then the next digit represents the region code. So U is for US and Japan, C for China, A for Australia, B for the UK, and E for Europe. The next two digits are actually the plug type, which we'll go over on a future slide. And right before the dash, we have the slot for a right angle plug, which I'll also be showing you later. If there is no digit at that location, it means it is a straight plug. If there's an L, it means that there is an angled plug. The next three digits after the dash represent output voltage, and after that, output current, and then the reserve code. And here's AIMTech's offering when it comes to wall mount adapters. So we go from 5 watts all the way up to 65 with an input voltage range of 90 to 264 and isolation of 3000 VAC, which is usually way above the customer requirements. So AIMTech adapters are going to be very versatile when it comes to various applications. And then on the right, you have the different certifications that our adapters are going to be coming with. So in most cases, we're going to be looking at EAC, CE, EMC, and FCC. Now here's the nomenclature for the desktop adapters, very similar to the wall mount, just that after the power of 24 in this case, we added a D, which signifies desktop type. All the other digits are the same, and then when we were talking about the plug type, so right after the D we have two digits, right below we have a table that actually explains the various plug types. So from R1 to R5, those are pretty standard plug types, and the only difference are the OD and ID, or outer diameter and inner diameter, of those output plugs. The locking type K1 and K2 are for customers that require the adapter to be able to lock the product in place. So if you're, for example, displaying a laptop and you don't want anyone to steal the laptop, we can offer a locking type adapter. And then U1 and U2 are for micro USB and USB type C. And the various desktop models that AIMTech offers goes from 24 to 120 watts, again offering 3000 VAC of isolation. And here are the various output cable types. So we have a locking in the upper left, USB-C in the upper right, micro USB in the bottom right, and a right angle plug. So if the part number contains an L, this is what the right angle plug will look like. And moving on to the different plug types per reason, this is just to illustrate what the various plug types can look like. In North America, we have the two-pronged or three-pronged plug. In EU, the same thing. And then in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and India, they also have different plug types. For now, we are certified for North America, the EU, and Russia. And if ever there are opportunities in other markets, then we will obviously review the certification requirements.